So I started actually developing software. My background is software engineering, computer science, mathematics, and so I started developing software on our early products back in those times. So we were just doing, at that time we were selling 100% of our products to the federal government, and then we decided to move into the commercial marketplace, trying to make a really long story short. So from software engineering and software development moved into project management, essentially, as program manager for one of our early conferencing voice conferencing platforms. And then from that to, before that, software engineering management, and then into project management, and then into division management. And that's my role now. I am, as Audrey mentioned, the senior VP for the company, but my operational role is I'm the division manager for our communication systems division. Many of you, I've talked to a few of you so far, you'll find out that there's a lot of different, there's a few different companies here within the family of Compunetix. There's Compunetix, CourseCall, Synexus, and actually another Compunetix that's not represented here or hiring at this point. But then there's, within each of those companies, there's different business units. One of the things that I think is really cool about Compunetix is that we're not a small startup. We're high tech, as Jason said, cutting edge type company. But we're not a tiny startup with 5, 6, 12 people. Instead, and we're not a huge corporation where one individual can get lost. Instead, we're kind of in a sweet spot, at least from my point of view, and where we as a company are large enough to really get a lot accomplished in the marketplace. We're able to be leaders in our market and only be a 300 to 600 person company, depending on how you add the different companies together. Also, each individual really makes a big difference. Every individual, you can't hide if you come to Compunetix. So that probably is, generally speaking, for those that are interested in pursuing or progressing their career, that's a good thing. So, every individual matters, makes a difference, and sometimes there's a lot of weight put on individuals. There's a lot of responsibility, but with that comes professional growth.